Hi, I'm Mike Bessert. I'm an associate professor in the Department of Biology at UW-Stout. This summer, my students and I have been undertaking a substantial project to assess fish reproduction in the Red Cedar River. The fish hatch out and then the larvae drift down the river. And so what we're doing is passively capturing larval fish using these drift nets. And so we sample once a week, as I said, both on the Red Cedar right here in town in Menominee. We do another site on the Red Cedar farther down near the mouth by Dunville, and then we also collect from a site in the Chippewa for comparison. So we collect the larval drift samples. It's just a bunch of debris in the back of these 5-meter long nets, really fine mesh, 500 micron. And then the students will fix those samples, take them to the lab, and there they'll pick through them, tediously pick through them and find the larval fish. They have to stain them and use digital microscopes and get good images that way to identify them. Identifying larval fish is tedious, as they will tell you.
Hi, my name's Jordan Bauer. I just graduated this spring with the Applied Science major and concentration in Environmental Sciences. And this fall I will be continuing with a Conservation Biology master's degree. Today we're in a lab setting right now looking at larval fish that we went and collected last week. We use larval drift nets to get these larval fish to look at early life stages of what they'll eventually grow up to be. We are taking pictures, picking through all the detritus, like sticks and leaves and dirt and stuff, and taking pictures of them to identify them later, and then use them with microcystin, which are algae in the river, and seeing what it actually does to them once that big overspill from Lake Menominee occurs. So after the master's degree, from doing this fishery and water chemistry work, I looked to for myself doing a more private consulting firm, environmental consulting, like working for a power line company, or like Excel electric company, or even like the hydroelectric dams out west. A lot of these places really need to look at these pH and data to correlate with the fish. So one of those agencies would be ideal for this type of work that we're doing here.